Buckfire Law.
Hi, I'm Mike Shaffer with the Buckfire Law Firm. If you were injured in a car accident involving a police car, ambulance, fire truck, or other emergency vehicle in Michigan, you may have the right to pursue a civil lawsuit for your injuries. Emergency vehicles are generally allowed to use lights and sirens and may have limited exemptions from normal traffic laws. However, this does not give them blanket permission to drive negligently. Officers and emergency responders must still exercise reasonable care under the circumstances. If they fail to do so, for example, by running a red light at unsafe speed, failing to yield properly, or otherwise operating the vehicle carelessly, they can be held liable for the harm they cause. In Michigan's legal system, you may be entitled to both no-fault insurance benefits and a separate personal injury claim. No-fault benefits can cover your medical treatment, lost income, attendant care, and other allowable costs, regardless of fault. A civil suit for pain and suffering and other non-economic losses may be pursued against the negligent driver. When a police officer or emergency vehicle operator is acting within the scope of employment, the government entity that employs them may also be a defendant under the legal theory called vicarious liability. Suing a government entity or its employees involves special procedures. Notice requirements and shorter deadlines may apply, and these procedural steps must be handled precisely to preserve your rights. At the Buckfire Law Firm, we evaluate these complex cases by reviewing crash reports, gathering evidence, determining fault, and ensuring that all legal steps are handled correctly. We can help you understand what insurance and compensation you may be entitled to after a crash involving an emergency vehicle. Contact us for a free consultation so we can assess your case and explain your legal options.